Hey there, my Wang Fam. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Alright. So I know I'm looking pretty weird today. Yes, this is my natural hair, guys. I do wear it sometimes. If you'd like to see some tutorial on how I style my natural hair, then you can leave that down in the comments, and I probably will. Alright, so today I am going to be doing a brow tint. This is something that I've never ever done before, professionally, nor for myself or by myself. So I'm kind of nervy about it, but I want to try it so you guys can see. I haven't tweezed my eyebrows in like a year. No, I'm just kidding. In like a couple months, because I can easily use concealer to shape my brows, so I don't really place much emphasis on tweezing my brows. But I did shape them just now in order to do this tutorial, and I did them and I was thinking, like, do I really want to mess with these because they're looking so perfect right now? I'm not used to seeing them like this because I'm not usually grooming my brows. I'm going to start off by using concealer to shape the brows. After doing that, I'm going to be using my Avatar dark brown rinse it is tint my brows. So this is what it looks like. So first I'm going to use concealer to shape my brows. So this is Cool Tan that I'm going to be using just to shape the brows. Alright, so guys, I'm going to start now. Since I've already shaped my brows, I want my brows to have this gradient effect. Like, I want her to be lighter. So I'm going to start from the ends here and go up. So guys, I'm gonna wait. Bottle says 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. I'm leaving it on for 15 minutes. I'm not giving this 25 minutes on my brows. Alright guys, it's the end of 15 minutes. I'm now going to use a wipes to wipe this off. Let's see how it's looking. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Oh my god, it is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see how the other one looks. Look at that, guys. I am loving it. Alright, so I'm going to do a comparison photo right here, before and after, so you can see it. But guys, I think that this turned out so great. It's not as bright as I was thinking that it would leave my eyes looking big, bright brows. No, they're totally fine. I look like I have brows now. So guys, this is a way that you can, if you don't have any brows, you can get some brows. Very affordable too. This was like $400 I think. That's like $3 US, I guess. Alright guys, so see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl meshewang. See you next time in my next video. See you next time. Bye guys. Remember, like out the video, you get it to 100 likes. 100 likes. 100 likes. Bye.